Hi guys, my name's Emily and I'm the mother of Ivy's Crochet Corner. I'm here today to do an unboxing video for moms only. As you can see, I've received several packages from Target and I'd like to share with you what I've received. Alright you guys, let's get started with my first box from Target. Let's get this sucker open and see what's inside. I might get in trouble when my daughter sees this video on her YouTube channel, but I think she'll be alright. She might call it a little cringy. Alright, what is our first item here? Okay, they've wrapped her up good. We have... Oh good. We have a fall pumpkin candle. Ooh, it smells like apple cider. All right, well, box one was exciting. Let's see what's in box number two. Gotta be something good. It's from my favorite store. Oh my gosh. They didn't wrap this one up very carefully, but it's also a pumpkin candle. Ooh, it's pumpkin spice flavor. Very nice. And that's it for box. All right, guys. Third and final box from my favorite store, Target. Okay, what is in here? Some heavy duty wrapping. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a big pumpkin candle. This one is flavored vanilla pumpkin. Let me have it smell here. Delicious. Oh, can my assistant come over and take care of this box for me? Just take it over there to the pile of boxes. Thank you. This is Ivan. He's my son. He's wearing his Emily's Fearless Fight shirt. But that's all the boxes. Hold on, sir. Do you want to show the items close up so the viewers can see?
No.
Okay, I'll do it. Here are the two baby pumpkins we got. Warm cider cinnamon, delicious. And this one is actually caramel latte, also delicious. And vanilla pumpkin in the big candle. Thanks for stopping by and watching, please. My director has informed me I need to get lower. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe because I told my daughter this was going to get her 1 million followers. All right, see you next time.